Okay, team. This is how to create additional wallet. Okay, so you just need to go to your SafePal. Okay, wait. From your SafePal, you just need to go to Add Wallet. You already have done Add Wallet. Then create new wallet. Then your password. Create now. Okay, skip backup for the meantime. So now this is the fresh one. So just put this one to BNB chain. Okay, once you already change it to BNB chain, manage coin, then remove all this blue default settings for SafePal. Okay, just leave this BTC and BNB. So then go to BNB chain, search for token FNBTC. Okay, always choose the 1554, then highlight it to blue or violet, then change again, new USD, wait, okay, new USD. So always this 7563, that is the last 4 digit of that wallet. Then highlight. I'm also putting USDT because we need it also for exchange. USDT BEP20, so 7955, that's the BEP20. Okay, then now you can see this is the fresh one, FNBTC, BNB, and USDT. It didn't go the the BTC because you are in BNB. So if you're going to put this one, go to it. That's all. Thank you.